Managing business calls shouldn't tie you to a desk. Call forwarding lets you route calls from your business number directly to your cell phone so you never miss an important opportunity. Let's look at how it works. When someone dials your business number, the call is automatically forwarded to your mobile device based on rules you set. The caller never knows the difference. Unlike manual call transfers, forwarding works behind the scenes and keeps your communication professional. There are several types of forwarding. Unconditional forwarding sends every call straight to your cell. Conditional forwarding only kicks in when you're busy, don't answer, or are unavailable. You can also choose sequential ringing, which tries multiple numbers in order, or simultaneous ringing, where all devices ring at once. Traditional phone systems use star codes like *72 to activate forwarding, but they can be costly and limited. Modern VoIP systems make this much easier. With an online dashboard or mobile app, you can set rules by time of day, caller ID, or availability and change them instantly. Forwarding business calls to your mobile improves responsiveness, supports remote work, and preserves a professional image. Advanced features like time-based routing, voicemail transcription, call screening, and mobile app control give you even more flexibility. With the right setup, business call forwarding keeps you connected, productive, and available wherever work takes you. Modernize your communications the easy way. Visit phone.com to learn more and get started in minutes.